Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to enable pop-up notifications on Snapchat when someone adds you as a friend. If you've been missing these alerts or want them to appear instantly on your screen, this updated method will help you fix that in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you control how apps behave on your device, including notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This will display a list of all the applications installed on your phone. From here, find and select Snapchat. Once you're inside the Snapchat app settings, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This section allows you to customize different types of notifications for Snapchat. Scroll through the list until you find the category labeled Added You under the Friends section. This is the specific notification type that alerts you when someone adds you on Snapchat. Tap on Added You and you'll see more detailed settings. Look for the option that says Show as Pop-up and make sure to toggle it on. Once this is enabled, Snapchat will display a pop-up notification on your screen whenever someone adds you, so you won't miss any new connections.